Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's your life? I hope you are doing well and glad to see you again, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Widya from English Education Department, Kelas K2 Maritim Raja Ali Haji University. This video, two basic writing course, and my lecture is Ma'am Dewi Nopita. In this video, I would like to explain about giving the information. And 5 point will I explain. The first is gathering information, and the second is using statistical information, and the third is writing a paragraph using statistical, and the fourth combining sentences, and the last one is capitalization. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first is gathering information. We can gather the information by interviewing someone. The first, before we writing, we must make a list of questions that we want to ask. Here is some suggestion. For example, where are you from? Are you married or single? Why are you learning English? And extra. We might also want to ask a question about everything that related to our partner, such as family, hobbies, interests, career, education, and travel experiences. And the second is writing. When we want to writing, we should include all the information about what we want to write, and remember the begin with a good topic sentence and to group similar ideas together. And the third is revising. When we want to revising our paragraph, we should rewrite our paragraph based on the material that we get from the information. And the second is using statistical information. We need to use statistical information to support our topic. We can use chart, graph, and table. It is important that we be able to interpret the information and write about it. Here is some vocabulary that will help, such as increase, decrease, fall, rise, greater, rate, percent, percentage. And the third is writing paragraph using statistical. Okay, let's see the depression statistic. From the picture, we can see 75% of people have a normal brain health, and about 25% of people are prone to depression. 20% get better, 5% become severely depressed. Okay, as shown in the first chart, 27.5% of people are able to cope with stress and anxiety by themselves, whereas the remaining 25% needs additional help to cope. Early intervention is the key to prevent 5% from the 25% from becoming severely depressed. Okay, this is the paragraph that I made. Let's read the paragraph. The depression happened during an important business meeting. We might have said something inappropriate. 75% of us would get over it by lunchtime, where 25% of us might replay the incident again and again in our head, and be embraced to interact with our colleagues. In some instances, 5% of the 25% may start to develop negative thought about ourselves. That is the time to seek help. Early intervention is the key and the depression should be treated as soon as possible. From the paragraph that I made, the topic sentence of my paragraph is depression, and the supporting sentence from 75% until about ourselves. And the concluding sentence of my paragraph is that is the time to seek help. Early intervention is the key, and depression should be treated as soon as possible. Okay, the 4 is combining sentences. To make our writing more interesting, we need to combine 2 short sentences with words like and, but, and or. Study this example. Notice that a comma is placed before and, but, and or. Example: she has a beautiful voice and she dances very well. He worked all night, but he did finish the project. You can study in the language lab, or you can go to the library. Okay, and the last one is capitalization. Use capitalization, the first 4 names of people, countries, states, cities, towns, street, day of the week, month of the years, and holiday. And the second, use capitalization at the first word of every sentence. And the third, use capitalization at the first word of direct quotes. And the fourth, use capitalization for the names of book, magazine, and movie. Okay, I think that's enough for the explanation. Thank you for your kind intention and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.